its dramatic transformation. The dozens were quickly followed by hundreds of tradesmen and tradeswomen, along with all of the tools, equipment, skill, and know-how to turn an aging facility into a venue for future generations like we see today. The demolition quickly shifted to underground preparations and then to the erection of seismically stout concrete and steel structural frames, all the while leaning on the ingenuity, muscle, and creativity of carpenters, masons, laborers, ironworkers, electricians, plumbers, equipment operators, and numerous other trades. A small city of activities sprouted within the oval of the historic facade, and the on-site workforce ballooned to nearly 500, with thousands more working off-site in factories, assembly plants, and transportation. At its peak, $15 million a month of construction was being skillfully put into place, a staggering 500,000 per day. In all, 640 days elapsed on the calendar, with crews working 12 hours per day, 6 and 7 days per week. An astonishing level of commitment and dedication from each and every one of you standing on the field today. Then, on Saturday, September 1st, 2012, the renovated stadium was officially reopened to welcome home the Cal community and to serve everyone here today and for generations to come. Today, we say thank you to our guests on the field who turned the raw materials of lumber, concrete, steel, pipe, and wire into California Memorial Stadium, a venue for public celebration and enjoyment. What an amazing time. The construction team was led by Steve Newman and Victor Elliott at Red 4 Builders and included dozens and dozens of on-site management and coordination staff, including those from Herrick Steel, Roosevelt Electric, Wet Core Concrete, Lesbier Plumbing, ACO Mechanical, Woodbridge Glass, Willis Precast, and many, many more that did much of the heavy lifting. Simply put, it was the men and women in the field, the factories, and the assembly plants who through muscle, sweat, determination, and simple hard work transformed our stadium. These are the heroes who made our new California Memorial Stadium possible. On behalf of the university, Cal Athletics, and all of our supporters and fans, you have our overwhelming thanks and appreciation. Cal fans, please give a round of applause to your California Memorial Stadium construction team.